It's insanely hot.
Obviously.
What's insanely hot?
Do you feel like just walking me today? Are you taking? No, you're not taking a picture of me.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm just looking.
Blog thing, looking at me like, no.
No.
Be gone.
I'm watching a movie. I swear. No, don't swear.
Life is horrible. Okay. I posted your picture on my Yahoo.
Yeah, it's really poor quality too. I'm stealing that.
Unless it's a thumbnail.
Y'all have a good day. Stay cool.
You too. You look homeless.
I know, I feel homeless.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm moving.
Hey, give me a refill.